In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this super cute Christmas clip art pack, how I researched it to see what was trending, what was making sales, how I came up with the ideas of what to put in the clip art pack, and then how I created the Christmas clip art pack using my AI generator of choice. Step by step, how I turned it into a high resolution, high quality product ready to sell. And keep watching to the end of the video and I'll show you how you can get your hands on this complete bundle that we create today. That's all the clip art, the prompts, the list of what I'm going to put into the pack. I'll give you that free. So like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing, and let's jump into it. So come over to Insight Factory, down to clip art, and I want to put in here Christmas clip art to see what's trending with the keywords. And here we have 12 Days of Christmas, Nativity, Christmas musical instrument clip art, low competition, hot sales. I also know that woodland animals are always popular and have been trending for quite a while. We can see things like Christmas gnomes. Gnomes are always trending too. We've also got Tropical Christmas, we've got Cajun Santa. So we could use these Christmas musical instruments and combine them with woodland animals. We could combine them with gnomes playing Christmas instruments. We could even combine it with Tropical Santa playing the instruments, or Cajun Santa. So think about cross-niching for different clip art packs to take advantage of what's trending. So today I'm going to create woodland animals playing musical instruments. And of course they're going to have a Christmas vibe and a Christmas theme. So the first thing that I do is go over to ChatGPT, and I've asked for a list of woodland animals with a list of musical instruments as well. I want to create a pack of clip art, so please give me woodland animals and different instruments. So as you can see, it's given me different animal ideas and it's given me different musical instruments as well. Keep playing around with that till you get the animals that you like. And if you want to do a bigger pack, then just duplicate the animal playing a different instrument. Today I'm going to use Artistly to create my clip art. I really like Artistly for clip art because I think it does a really good job, but also as an AI generator it's a one single payment, currently at only $49, just one-off payment that's finished done. And if you use the code SECRET10 you get an extra 10% off, but there's so much to it. I've only touched the surface with it, using it for the clip art, but you'll see today that it creates some really cute images. As we sign in and come to our dashboard, we click Create Design. Today I want to use Advanced AI Image Designer. Click the Start Creating button, and I'm just going to use a square. It doesn't matter what size because I'm going to transfer them over to Canva because I like to polish them, make them right in there. But if you want to do it all in Artistly, that's fine. You can make your board here 3000 by 3000. Click Create. And we want to click down the side here on the stars. That takes us to the image generator. Here we can decide what ratio we want. So I want a square, 1, 1, that'll do. And in here I'm going to put my prompt. So I'm going to copy and paste my prompt. And I'll leave you this prompt as well with all the pack that we create today. I'll give you details shortly on how you can get your hands on that for free. This is my basic prompt and I'm going to use the information that we got out of ChatGPT. So I'm going to start with cute watercolour woodland and then put the particular animal in there. So fox, mouse, raccoon, whatever. Happily playing an instrument. So I'm going to put in there either violin, trumpet, drums, whatever. Wearing cosy Christmas accessories, surrounded by festive holly pine and berries, charming hand-painted style, whimsical and cosy holiday feel, isolated on a clean white background because I want to be able to easily remove the background from the image so that we can create the clip art, and high resolution. The first animal I'm going to put in there is mouse, and I'm going to put in there violin. So I'll actually take the brackets out, click the generate image, click on it to add it to the canvas, and there you can see that it's really cute. If you don't want to transfer these over to Canva like I will be doing, then you can click the background remover button here, remove background, then click on the image to add it to the canvas. It says there, the one with the remove background. So that now should be a transparent PNG. You can also upscale the image here by clicking upscale. Again, it says click on the image to add it to the canvas. And there you'll have a PNG with a transparent background that's been upscaled. You can now export that as a PNG and you have your first image done. As you can see, I've created quite a few different animals, different instruments. And also extra things that you can add to your packs to make them a little bit different, to make them stand out. Music sheets, hymn books, wreaths. Think about those added extras to make your bundle stand out. So I'll give this complete bundle to you for free, all the clip art, the prompts and the lists out of ChatGPT, so that you can create your own trending clip art pack, or you're welcome to use these in your own digital products. All as I ask is that you just don't resell this as a clip art pack. And I'll give you details on that shortly. I'm now going to go to Canva, I'm going to make a new file and I'm going to bring my images in to make sure that they're really high quality images. Custom size to create a new file, and I make that 2000 by 2000. Create new design, and then I drop all of the images that I've just created in Artistly into Canva. I'm going to make 12 canvases there. I'm going to drop each one on. Background remove. I'm going to just check that it's clean behind by adding a dark colour. It is, that's lovely. And I'm going to do that for each of my images. Now that one's left a little bit there that I don't particularly like. I'm going to go to Edit, Magic Eraser, make my brush small enough, and I'm going to remove that because I want it to look clean and tidy. Click Erase. Let's put a dark colour behind it to check. Still odd bits there to remove, so click Edit again. Makes it difficult for us to see, but we know that the bits were straggling around. Click Erase, hopefully we've got them now. Yeah, that's great, that looks clean. Take off the colour. When I've done that with all of my animals and I've created the pack, then I want to download them ready to upscale and convert to 300 dpi. So I go over to the share button in the top right corner, click download, make sure that's a PNG. I want to download all of those with a transparent background. Click download. And now I've downloaded that pack ready to upscale and convert. I then head over to Topaz Gigapixel. That's my software of choice to upscale images and to convert them to 300 dpi. I love this because it was a one-off cost, plus I can do it in bulk and it just does it so quickly and easily, which I'll show you now. So I click on Browse Images. These are the images that I've just downloaded. I can highlight them all like that. I can just drag them and drop them straight into Topaz here. So that's taken all 12 there. If I want to make them 3000 by 3000 because they're a square, I can change this to whatever I want them to be. If I wanted them 4000, I'll make them 3500. So that they're not too big, but they're big enough. So 3500 by 3500 because the canvas was a square, 300 ppi or dpi. And all I do now is just click to export the 12 images and you can see what good quality they are. Click the save button and then that will just download all of those upscaled and converted images to my computer. I'm sure you'll agree that turned out a really super cute pack of clip art, and Artistly did a really good job of creating them. They turned out high quality, and if you want to get your hands on those for free, the whole bundle with the clip art, the prompts and everything, I'll leave the link below, as well as the links for everything we've talked about today in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing, and go watch these videos here next. Create eye-catching digital products fast with clip art, and digital products for beginners using your clip art. I'll see you in the next one.